Hi everyone, and welcome to our weekly English vocabulary words. Every week, we are going to learn 5 new English words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1, sofa. Sofa. S-O-F-A. Sofa. Number 2, glue. Glue. G-L-U-E. Glue. Number 3, crayon. Crayon. C-R-A-Y-O-N. Crayon. Number 4, pin. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Number 5, desk. Desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. Great job! See you next time!